Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your WordPress website feels a little, well, generic, you're not alone. But what if you could transform it into a smart, AI-powered experience, tailored to every visitor? In this video, we're diving into how AI can personalize your WordPress site, making it more engaging, more user-friendly, and way more effective at converting visitors into loyal fans. Tired of your WordPress site feeling like a one-size-fits-all template? Want your users to actually feel like your site was made just for them? Stick around, I'll show you the tools, plugins, and real examples to bring true personalization to your website using AI. So let's start with the big picture. AI isn't just for tech giants anymore, it's everywhere, including in web development. When integrated into WordPress, AI helps create dynamic websites that adapt in real time to how your visitors behave. Think smarter search results, content that changes, based on a user's interests, and even personalized product recommendations. Next, let's talk about content personalization. Tools like If So Dynamic Content Personalization or RightMessage let you show different headlines, buttons, or offers depending on who's visiting. For example, a returning visitor from New York might see a totally different homepage banner than someone visiting for the first time from London. You can even connect this with behavioral data showing content based on what they've clicked before or what products they've viewed. AI-powered product recommendations, we've all seen them on Amazon, right? Now you can have the same tech on your WooCommerce store. Let me show you how easy it is to personalize your WordPress site with a tool called If So. We'll set up a dynamic homepage banner that changes depending on the visitor's location. Now, go to Plugins, AE Add Plugin, search for If So, and click Install. And activate. Now we'll create a new trigger. Let's show a special message to visitors from New York. Here's how it looks. Our visitor from New York sees a custom message, while everyone else sees the default content. Then please refer to the video on the If So site for how to create dynamic content in minutes.
We will show you the basics of creating dynamic content. As you're about to see, it only takes a minute to personalize any content on your website. You simply select a condition and define the content that will be displayed if it is met. If the condition is not met, If So will keep checking the condition of the next content version. You can add as many versions as you want. If none of the conditions are met, the default version will be displayed. If you want to change the order in which If So checks the conditions, simply drag the version with the condition that you want If So to check first up to the top of the list. The content of each version can remain blank. In this case, if the condition is met, no content will be displayed. This feature enables you to leave your website the way it is for some users while displaying a personalized and engaging message to others. All done? Press publish and paste the trigger shortcode wherever you want it to go on your website. Each time a page containing the shortcode loads, the conditions will be checked and one of the content versions will be displayed accordingly. On the trigger editing page, you will be able to see how many times each version popped up and how many conversions occurred as a result. Ready to go? If you haven't downloaded If So, you can do it for free from the WordPress directory or from ifso.com.
Next, let's check out RightMessage, which helps personalize content based on email tags, behavior, or traffic source. After signing up on www.rightmessage.com, you'll get a JavaScript snippet like this. Just copy it and paste it into your WordPress site's header. AI chatbots like Tidio or WPBot can answer questions, 247, recommend products, or guide users through your site. And when it comes to email, tools like MailPoet with AI Segmentation or OptinMonster's smart tags let you send hyper-targeted campaigns based on user behavior. Of course, personalization means nothing if you're not tracking results. Use tools like Google Analytics 4, Hotjar, or Monster Insights to monitor user engagement and A/B test different experiences. Please refer to the A/B testing tool. The goal? Continuous optimization. AI doesn't just set and forget, it learns and adapts as your users evolve. Looking ahead, AI is only getting smarter. From automated blog writing assistants like Bertha.ai to predictive search and voice interfaces, the future is customized and intelligent. WordPress is becoming more than just a CMS with AI. It's turning into a living, breathing platform that can understand and respond to each user. Ready to bring your WordPress site into the AI era? Drop a comment if you've tried any of these tools or want help getting started. And don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more smart WordPress tips. I've also linked a free guide below with step-by-step plugins and AI tools to check out. Go grab it. Thanks for watching now. Go personalize that site.